First at 6, developing news involving a former Austin police detective.
A federal judge has granted immunity to Chearles Kleinert, effectively dismissing the manslaughter indictment against him for the shooting death of Larry Jackson Jr. Chris Sadeghi has been looking at the judge's order, which was filed just about an hour ago. Chris.
Yes, Chearles Kleinert was an Austin police detective, but also a member of a federal task force. He was investigating a bank robbery, a federal crime, when he came into contact with Larry Jackson Jr. In a 29-page motion, Judge Lee Yackel ruled Kleinert was acting as a federal agent and should receive federal immunity. In the motion, Yackel cites case law Connecticut versus Mara that states a federal officer is not required to show that his actions were in fact necessary or, in retrospect, justifiable. He only must show he reasonably thought his actions to be necessary and justifiable. Because of that, the ruling says a state court is without jurisdiction to prosecute a federal officer. In a hearing a few weeks ago, Kleinert was at times emotional when he said he suspected Larry Jackson was trying to commit bank fraud. He chased him when Jackson ran, even flagging down a passing motorist to give him a lift. When he caught up to Jackson, he admitted to striking him with the same hand that was holding his gun. But as the two struggled, the gun accidentally went off, hitting Jackson in the back of the neck and killing him. Now, although the state indictment is dismissed, the possibility for federal prosecution exists, although Adam Lowy, the Jackson family attorney in the civil case, tells me that is highly unlikely. This decision from the judge is subject to an appeal, but as of right now, it appears Chearles Kleinert, who retired from APD shortly after this shooting, will avoid criminal prosecution. We'll have more on this at 10 o'clock. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.